Hello students, let us start from question number 6 of exercise 6.3. The first equation is x plus y less than equal to 6. For graphical purposes, you can take x plus y is equal to 6. You already know about the content because I think you already gone through the previous videos. If I insert x is equal to 0, then clearly y is equal to 6. And if x is equal to 2, you can write y is equal to 4 because x plus y is equal to 6. And if I write x is equal to 6, you can write y is equal to 0. And black line is represented by this equation 0, 6, 2, 4 and 6, 0. Similarly, you can calculate the points for second equation 0, 4, 1, 3 and 4, 0. X plus y is less than equal to 6. It means you have to shade the downward region of this black line. X plus y greater than equal to 4, it means you have to shade the upward region of this line. It means you have to shade the region in between these two parallel lines. This region means upward portion of this region and downward of this, it means the region in between these two lines can be shaded. Question number 7. 2x plus y greater than equal to 8. For graphical purposes, you can write 2x plus y is equal to 8. If I insert x is equal to 0, y is equal to 8. Similarly, if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. If x is equal to 4, then y is equal to 0. You can easily calculate. And what about the black line? 0, 8, first point. Second is 2, 4. And third is 4, 0. You can draw these values on the graph. Similarly, for the second equation, 0, 5, 4, 3 and 10, 0. 2x plus y greater than equal to 8. What is the meaning of this? It means you have to shade the region on the right hand side of black line. And also you have to shade the region on the right hand side of green line. It means this region have to be shaded. Let us check the second slide. Yes, you can shade this region. The arrowhead represent that this region should be shaded in the graphical system. Question number 8. X plus y less than equal to 9, y greater than x and x greater than equal to 0. The first line is x plus y is equal to 9. It means if one point is 0, second is 9. 0, 9 and 9, 0. 2 points are there. In the black line, 0, 9 and 9, 0. 2 points are there. And third one you can take according to your choice minus 3 and 12 because 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. What about second one? You have to insert the same values. If x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0. This one. If x is equal to 8, y is equal to 8. You can take any point. If x is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 3. Randomly, I take 3 values. One is 0, 0 and second is positive value and third is negative value. But remember, both the values are equal in this case. X greater than equal to 0, it means basically x is equal to 0 for graphical system. You can take any value of y. I take 16, minus 7 and 3, 16. And this one is minus 7 and this one is 3. These 3 points are there. Now what about the region which is to be shaded? X plus y less than equal to minus 9. It means you have to shade the left hand side of this black line because less than sign is there. Y greater than x. What is the meaning of this? It means if I insert 0, 0, 0 greater than 0, which is false, it means you have to shade the area other than 0, 0 in the second line. And second line is this one. It means you have to shade this region. What about x greater than 0? It means you have to shade this region. The possibility of this triangular region is there. Let us check the next slide. Yes, this reason should be shaded. Let us start with the question number 9. 5x plus 4y less than equal to 20, x greater than equal to 1, y greater than equal to 2. In second and third line, x is equal to 1 and you can take any value of y, and in third, y is equal to 2 and you can take any value of x. Let us check. 1, 10, this one, green line is there, 1, 2 and 1 minus 2. This green line represent x is equal to 1 because this line is parallel to y-axis, and this red line represent the third equation, y is equal to 2. This one, minus 5, 2, 3, 2 and 6, 2. These are the three values. What about the first one? 5x plus 4y is equal to 20. If I insert x is equal to 0, then clearly y is equal to 5. If I insert y is equal to 0, you can write x is equal to 4. And what about third value? You can calculate any third value according to your choice. But if you draw these two points also, it's okay. 0, 5 and 4, 0 is also okay. But you can draw one more point according to your choice. Now what is the reason to be shaded? 5x plus 4y less than equal to 20. It means reason on the left hand side of black line because less than sign is there. X greater than equal to 1, it means this side, and y greater than equal to 2, it means upward side. It means this triangular region should be shaded. This triangular region should be shaded. Question number 10. It comprises of 4 graphs. 3x plus 4y less than equal to 60. X plus 3y less than equal to 30. If I insert x is equal to 0, then clearly y is equal to 15. If I insert x is equal to 4, 3 into 4, 12. 12 into 4, 48. 12 plus 48, it's a 60. If I insert x is equal to 20, y is equal to 0. Similarly, I can calculate the values of second graph. And what about third? X is equal to 0. It means for x is equal to 0, you can take any value of y. And y is equal to 0. It means for y is equal to 0, you can take any value of x according to your choice. Now draw the graph 0, 15, this black line 0, 15, 4, 12 and 20, 0. Three values are there. Now check the second graph 0, 10, 0, 10, this one green line. Second is 15, 5 and 30, 0. Next one is 0, minus 5, 0, minus 5, this one. And next one is 0, 5, then 0, 20, red line, minus 5, 0, this point, 15, 0, this one, and 35, 0, this one. Now what about the shaded region? 3x plus 4y less than equal to 60. 3x plus 4y, that's the black line. You have to shade below this line. Also less than sign, it means you have to shade below the green line. It means possibility of this region is there. Yes, possibility of this region is there. It means this one, this point, this crossing point, this point, this one and this one. You have to shade this region. Thanks for watching my video. In the next video, I will start from question number 11 onwards.